Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. Today I am going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to try a swipe, and I have in my mind what I want. With July coming up, 4th of July, red, white, and blue colors, all the patriotic stuff, I am going to use red, white, and blue. And I'm actually using a canvas today. I figured it was about time I used them. I got them quite a while ago. They were on sale. And speaking of sales, most of the people I tell about paint pouring or watch me paint pour say, oh, it's got to be so expensive. Well, I'm here to tell you it is not. Okay. These colors here are apple barrel. These are almost the cheapest ones you can buy. I get them at Walmart. They're easy to find. They have sales on them. You know, you can get bottles of these this size. These are the 2-ounce bottles, and a lot of times you can get them for $2 and you can buy paints at the dollar store now, so for $1 a bottle, which to me is still kind of overpriced, but there's no excuse. It is not that expensive. Yes, the Floetrol, I buy a gallon of it. I pay a little less than $20, but that gallon lasts me a long time. It is a whole lot cheaper than like a Liquitex medium, pouring medium, or any other kind of real pouring medium. Price them sometime. No, it's very expensive. So I'm cheap. Water is, I do use distilled water. You can buy a whole gallon of that for less than $2. It doesn't have to be fancy. But anyway, I'm rambling. I'm going to try a swipe. I'm going to try to make kind of a flag looking. And I'm going to try, I have in my head that I'm going to do the red and white. I'm going to add a little blue, inject it with some white, and then swipe it a little bit, and maybe I'll get some kind of selling effect to make start. We'll find out. So, shall we get to work? And there you have it. I have to confess, I stood here after I turned the video off and I didn't like the way it was turning up, so I did another swipe, and this is all wrong. So this is probably at the end of the by the end of the video, or after the video is over. I'm still learning to speak. I am trying though. I'm going to scrape it, clean it up a little bit, and maybe tomorrow we can try again. I've got the right idea. I like this. And another thing that I noticed is on the canvas itself, it started pooling. It wasn't going this way, and as you can see, this is already dry on the edges. So this is just wrong in so many ways. Too much paint, not enough blue, but I think we're on the right track here. So I am going to give it another try. I am going to scrape this, let it dry overnight, and we will come back and tomorrow probably try it again. And like I said, we got the right idea. We just haven't mastered it yet. Of course, I'm not a master of anything except making messes. I am so good at that. And I really want to thank you guys again for stopping by and spending these few minutes with me and cheering me on. But this is a great idea. I just need to work it out, and hopefully with your help. So you have a great week. I promise I will be back very, very soon, and I will see you later. Bye-bye now.